Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna be attempting something else. Okay, so I always thought it was really cute how people did makeup tutorials on being a deer. I never tried deer makeup. So I really hope that this turns out right, because as you know, if it turns out right, it's a tutorial. If it doesn't, it's watch me attempt, so. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Robin Taylor and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing and let's get right into this video. So I heard that in order to be a deer, it's like extreme contouring. We just gonna see how this ends up. So it's already hard for me to find good products to contour with, being a woman of color and chocolateness. I'm just gonna use an eyeshadow palette to find my color, to be honest. So you can start off with a face like this. Yo, deers be beat as f. I mean, whoa, can't say that. So pretty much you gotta look like hella ghosty underneath the eyes. Time where I need to look ashy. I don't know what I can use to look ashy. When I'm not trying to be ashy, I'm ashy. I'm gonna go in with a bright eyeshadow. Oh, okay, that's kind of working. Okay. I'm not going anywhere, so if I mess up, oh well. So I'm just gonna put that underneath my eye. Jeez, look how it looks. Ugh. All right. Why am I putting it here? They ain't telling me to put it right there. All right, hold on. I gotta look on YouTube, hold on. I'm gonna use a really dark brown to kind of extreme contour. They got black deer, like, do they? There's a black deer, I think. Really contours. Maybe it wasn't a smart idea because I ain't never heard of a black deer, unless there is. If there is, let me know. I could Google it too, but you know, I'm being lazy. My nose keeps moving around, so I gotta do this. What, I gotta set my nose? You can't really see, it just looks like I have shit on my nose. Maybe I should set my nose with something with a black powder. I think the problem is I'm using too much of a dark color, but it low-key looks like it's coming together, doesn't it? So I'm just gonna contour. Like, I don't understand why they make noise every time I'm filming. I'm gonna put my eyeliner on, but I'm gonna kind of define it a little bit more. I'm gonna put my bottom lashes on. But this is Halloween, so like one of my subscribers said, you know, you can't really go wrong unless you're me. Like, why? At this point, they're doing it on purpose. All right, it's maintenance, so there's nothing I can do. We're just gonna have to deal with it. We're just gonna have to deal with the noise. I should say it out loud, so we're just gonna have to deal with the noise. Nah, you don't care. All right, next thing I'm gonna do is the upper part of my lip. I threw my hands. All right, so I got this white crayon from Civis, and this is the Wet n Wild one. And I'm pretty much just gonna put dots all over my head.
She should be a Deerbra.
I'm not gonna be a Deerbra.
They thought about it, they want it now.
Mark, be quiet. All right, then I'm gonna put some of the dots right here. Round and around and around. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm a deer. You guys, I'm a deer, bitch. Who's a deer? Me, bitch. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh my God. It's a tutorial. It's a tutorial. Shit, I can save money. I could just wear a brown dress and do this and go to a Halloween party. Oh my God. Sis. Let me stop. You guys, it's so easy. It's literally extreme contouring, white dots, and put some black stuff on your nose and some black stuff on your lip if you're darker skinned. Look at this. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm really excited. I'm just gonna add a little bit. Ooh, I'm gonna eat my fish looking like this. Oh my gosh. I'm a deer. I can take a cute thumbnail because I rarely see dark-skinned girls do this for Halloween. We got one. Look, I'm a deer caught in headlights. Doe, a deer, a female deer. Ray, a drop of golden sun, me, a name I call myself, far a longer way to run, so a needle pulling thread, far a note to follow, so tea I drink with jam and bread. I'm not turning myself into a Deerbra. No, because I want to take some Instagram pictures.
Okay, take your Instagram pictures and then make it a Deerbra.
No, I'm independent. I can do what I want. If you don't know what a Deerbra is, you have to look up one of Kevin Hart's skits.
It was half deer, half zebra. So I'm like, oh shit, it's a Deerbra. Like, that's what I'm thinking. It's a fucking Deerbra.
So I'm just gonna put white stripes, and I'm not gonna really draw them in any style. And then I'm gonna get a black eyeliner and add some black stripes to it. Ooh, the reason I hold on. Guys, look, I'm a Deerbra. It was not even that hard. Oh no, we changed the tutorial on how to be a Deerbra. Look at that. I kind of like this. Let me see if I can make my eyeliner a little more grasping. Cause when you never see the light, it's hard to shit. It went in my eye. Oh my God. You know, it's okay. We gonna be alright. Do you hear me? Do you feel me? We gonna be alright. Oh my gosh. Follow me on Instagram because Facetune is gonna help it all come like bow. Bow. This just took it to the whole nother level though. Okay, that is it, you guys. Honestly, this wasn't it wasn't a hard look at all. It was just extreme contouring, putting a bunch of dots on your face, put a bunch of lines on your chest and your neck. Like, you walk up to a party and then someone be like, oh, what are you? I'd be like, you don't know I'm a fucking Deerbra? Like, what? I'm different. This is what you call unique. This is what you call special. This is what you call, help me guys. Yes, that word, thank you. What if you were just like, stupid? And I'd be like, yes, I'm a beauty guru. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Comment down below any other tutorials you guys want to see me do and we'll see if it's a tutorial or not. I need to go to sleep. I need to eat my fried fish. I gotta go. But until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye! See, I like the most simplest things. Don't care about